Call one right now.
Hey.
Don't tell me you want to, because I'll pull up a number and call them right now, see if they got any room.
Please do.
Let's see. So what's a good, do you know like the names of
Salvation Army.
Salvation Army? That's a good. The Salvation Army Center of Hope. Call it right now. It's dialing. Yes, I'm calling to see if you have any room at the shelter. There's a young lady here that's trying to get out of the snow before the storm. Alright, back here with Alaska. How's everything going, Alaska?
Depends on what you're really asking about regarding my, either my job or just basic living out here.
Well, let's start with your appearance. You already told me how you got that injury on your nose. So.
Yeah, I had a seizure. Seizures outside and living outside is hard. Sometimes I actually sit back and think, wonder, why the fuck am I going through all this?
Yeah.
Why am I putting myself through this? But then it just blows away.
Yeah.
I don't think about it anymore.
So it's just a thought. Maybe when you wake up in the morning, or I don't know, when times are a certain way, you start to think about how bad things.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm even in reality.
Yeah. What gets you out of that mind state?
I don't know.
Yeah. Could it be drugs, or is it just the job, or
everything?
Yeah. Okay, so I've already talked to a few people about this upcoming snowstorm. What are your plans to survive the next 24 hours?
Well, me and my friend Lee, I don't know if he's spoke to y'all yet, are putting in towards a weekly room, at least attempting.
Yeah.
Mindset, can be different than physical,
Yeah.
if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
But we're putting in towards a room, which we should have been doing, especially for us women out here, just like my friend said. But
why don't like a group of women, like get like 4 or 5 of y'all? Y'all can't like get together and push a woman together to get her.
Drama,
Really?
attitudes. People don't. This person don't like that person. That person don't like that person. Somebody's stealing from this person. It's just a bunch of bullshit. We don't act like mature women out here.
You don't have like 2 or 3.
I have friends, most definitely, but I can't trust them myself.
Jeez. Just somewhere to lay your head and go to sleep. I mean, it's like kind of life or death.
Sad to say, it's kind of funny, but I end up going to most of the guys, like Brian, the one that works at the restaurant back here. He sleeps at his store.
Oh, wow.
And I end up just, the blanket he has keeps me very warm, and that's what I end up doing.
Okay, so there are some nice people out here that'll try to take care of you sometimes, like when you need it.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah, that's alright. Have you ever tried calling like a women's shelter? Like
I've already been asked that multiple times. It's not.
Like during the snow, they open the doors up a little bit and are a little more lenient on the rules, just to get you out of the snow. You haven't tried that during a snowstorm?
Mm-mm.
You would want to try that?
Probably.
Yeah. Can I call one right now?
Hey.
Don't tell me you want to, because I'll pull up a number and call them right now, see if they got any room.
Please do.
Let's see. So what's a good? Do you know like the names of
Salvation Army.
Salvation Army? That's a good. The Salvation Army Center of Hope. Call it right now. Styling. Yes, I'm calling to see if you have any room at the shelter. There's a young lady here that's trying to get out of the snow before the storm.
No, we don't have any room.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you know of any other shelters that might have any room?
No.
Wow. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Well, there you go.
Well,
Well, that sucks.
yeah, it sure does. But hey, life's life, you know.
Yeah. Okay. So.
But you know, there's gonna be an option. Somebody's gonna come rolling through.
Yeah.
Past 2 or 3 days, I've been out in the cold, so
Yeah. It's a little different today, though. Today in the morning, when the snow starts falling. Do you have a tent at all? Like.
I do have a tent.
Okay.
I had actually ice at the bottom of the tent.
Oh yeah. Do you have a way to like start a fire and keep warm? Do you
My
have-
friend has a candle that he thinks that keeps him warm. I don't think so. But hey,
What kind of things would you need to help? Like if, like you don't need his stuff. Like what would you need to start your own?
do you know they got those pieces of wood that, if I'm not mistaken, keeps the fire going? Like
Yeah. Okay.
pieces of wood. You know, I got plenty of cardboard over here.
Yeah. And you have lighters to start the fire and stuff like that. Okay. Well, like I told Tasha, I'm about to run to Goodwill, get some stuff. See if I can stop by the store and get some hand warmers and stuff like that. Get some hoodies, some blankets. If I see you, if you want something, I'll stop and talk to you and give you some stuff. All right.
Please do.
Yeah. Yeah, you look a little different today than usual. Look like you're losing weight and you're in a different mood. I can tell. Like you're going through something.
Yeah.
But hopefully, whatever you're going through isn't too bad, and yeah, we can get through this storm safe.
Most definitely.
Yeah, you got anything else you want to say before we end this?
Stay safe. Stay warm.